So here it is. It's a little box, so as you can tell it's a small item, or it could be a big item that's been folded away. You just never know until I open it, but if you really want to see, keep watching. Hello guys, I hope you're all doing well. Thank you ever so much for tuning into my channel. Welcome to my channel. That's what I should say first. Welcome to my channel, and thank you for tuning in today. I hope you guys are well. So as you can tell by the title of this video, actually as I'm filming right now, I haven't even decided on what the title is going to be, but it will probably be something that will give away what this whole video is about anyway. So as you can tell by the title, or if you don't know already, I am expecting a baby. Woohoo! So yes guys, I am pregnant, and if you didn't know already, based on me telling you, or a family member telling you, or a close friend telling you, you probably would have sussed that I look a bit different on my channel, because my last video that I put out, or any videos that I've put out this year, I can tell, obviously it's me, it's my body, so I know the difference, and I can tell when I look different, and of course when I feel different. But you can tell by the look of my face. I'm looking at the camera screen right now, I look a bit, you know, plumpier, like my cheeks are a bit more full, my face is round, my neck is darker, so my foundation looks a little bit off, and that was one of my worries in my previous video, but I was told that it looked okay. So hopefully it looked okay and you guys weren't cussing me out thinking, why is she wearing another shade that's not even her foundation shade? But yes, I am pregnant. I am expecting a baby. The thing is, by the time this video comes out, I would have already had the baby, because I chose not to put up any content whilst I was pregnant. I said any content that I film relating to pregnancy or motherhood in general will come out after I've had the baby. And there will be videos that will follow up after this about, you know, pregnancy, quarantine, and you know how it's been, you know, in 2020, having to self-isolate because of everything that's been going on in the world, and being pregnant, and you know the fears that come along with it, and the support. Not just like, I'm not just going to talk about like the bad stuff, but like the good stuff as well, and everything else. So yeah, I'm pregnant. So now moving on to the next thing. Now, due to my pregnancy, I decided to treat myself to a gift, and I'm someone that in general I treat myself every now and then anyway, because I consider myself a hard-working person, and because of that I feel like I deserve things that I want, and there's absolutely nothing wrong with that. I feel like that is part of self-love. So if that's not something that you've channeled yet, please do. And it doesn't necessarily mean to say that you have to spend thousands of pounds on one item or hundreds of pounds on one item. It could be something that you like. It could be a spa day out, just you yourself and, you know, or with a group of friends. It could be dinner for one or lunch for one. Whatever it is that you enjoy doing, every now and then, please make sure you take time out to just treat yourself, because you deserve it. And self-love, that is part of self-love. So just make sure that you do that, because I mean, you can't expect anyone else to do it for you if you're not going to do it for yourself. Right, so with that being said, I decided to treat myself to a push present. And the reason why I decided to treat myself to a push present is because, number one, I've never done it before, and number two relates to number one, I didn't even know what a push present was to begin with. I only found out about push presents back in 2015, late 2015, just before I had my daughter. I saw it floating around on social media, and I thought to myself, what on earth is a push present? I mean, it's, call me dumb, it's pretty simple by the title, push present, relating to pregnancy, but I still didn't know what it was, and I didn't know why there was so much hype around it when it came to certain people. So I thought, why not look it up, and why not, you know, just see what this whole push present hype is all about. And that's when I came to discover what it is. So basically, if you don't already know what a push present is, It's basically a gift that is given to the mother or mother-to-be. I don't really know if it's given to her before she has the baby, after she has the baby, but I guess it doesn't really matter. You can give it before or after baby has arrived, and it's basically just to, you know, just to uplift and encourage and support, and just a nice gesture, you know, just to show appreciation, because as a woman our bodies go through a lot to begin with, and then on top of it to having to carry another human being, and you know, you're basically an oven for that human being for like 9 months, 10 months, 8 months, however long your pregnancy lasts for, and then having to endure so much emotions and feelings to bring that human being into the world. So basically that's what a push present is. That's the best way I can define it for you guys if you don't already know what it is. And from what I know, traditionally push presents are meant to be given to you by someone else. So maybe by your husband, your spouse, your partner, boyfriend, whoever, or I don't know, it could be a family member or maybe a friend that wants to treat you, I don't know. But then I thought to myself, I'm not gonna ask for one, because number one, I'm not someone that, I find it hard to ask for help to begin with. So I'm not someone that finds it easy to ask for gifts. You know, I'm not someone that asks for gifts. Even when people do ask me, you know, is there anything you want for your birthday, or is there anything in particular you want for Christmas, usually I'm like, no, it's fine. And it's not because I want people to make a fuss and constantly ask me, but it's just I feel like, you know, I can simply just buy these things myself. If they end up buying it for me, fine, I appreciate it, obviously I do, but it's not something that I go out of my way to say, oh, you know, I want this, I want that. And that's not to judge anyone that does ask for gifts or does ask for a push present when they are about to become a mum. So with that being said, I decided to treat myself to a push present, and I decided to get something that has been on my wish list for a long time. And because of that, that's the whole purpose of this video. I'm going to be unboxing the item with you guys, just to show you guys what it looks like and to show you guys what I treated myself. Right, so here it is. It's a little box, so as you can tell, it's a small item, or it could be a big item that's been folded away. You just never know until I open it, but if you really want to see, keep watching. So right now we are in the month of May, and this item arrived on the 18th of May, and as I'm filming this video, what's today's date? See, quarantine has made me forget the dates of the week. Today is the 23rd, so this item arrived on the 18th of May. Oh, I bought a knife so that I can open the box, but I don't actually need the knife. So here we go, guys. I was so excited, I wanted to open it at first, but I thought, let me unbox it with you guys. I hope this is the item. I'll laugh if it's not and it's something else, but it can't, it can't be anything else. So here goes. Oh, they got their own, oh, I didn't know they had their own boxes. Okay, 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 all right, okay. So I always said to myself that when the time comes for me to buy this item, I really want to go in store and buy it, because I just love the experience in store, particularly when it comes to Louis Vuitton. I know that there's quite a few luxury brands out there that people have spoken about on the internet regarding their experience shopping there and how it hasn't been so pleasant and stuff, but when it comes to Louis Vuitton, the customer service that I receive in store whenever I go in there is 10 out of 10, honestly. So I'm always excited to go in there and buy my items. So here's a big envelope right here, and I'm strongly assuming that this is where they've stored my receipt and any information that's documented on paper. So meant to be opening it with you guys so I can read this. What does it say? It says, Thank you for shopping at Louis Vuitton, blah, 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 blah. Please prevent any contact with oil or alcohol-based substances such as cosmetics, perfumes, hand sanitizers, or disinfectants. Product care guidelines are available on louisvuitton.com/product care. Just to instruct me on how to take care of the item, I've got the exchange and returns information there. I have the receipt here, and then there's a sticker for if I need to return it, which I don't think that will be needed, so that's that. Now moving on to the item. I just love how they, oh, I don't really want to undo the ribbon. I'm going to have to. It's all part of the unboxing, isn't it? So here we go. Oh, I need to read this. Hold on. Okay, so here's a little envelope as well. And in here there's a little card, another envelope, sorry. This is so cute. Oh, it's empty. It's blank, should I say. That is actually not supposed to be blank, because I actually did put a message on there for myself. I don't think there's anything wrong with that. Like I said, self-care, self-love. But anywho, that's okay. Now let's go back to unboxing the item. And I'm just going to turn it over and pull the little lever here. There we are. Opened it. Oh, the message might be, no, the message not in here either. Okay, so here's another little booklet. Just gonna pop that in there. Close the box. Why am I talking you guys through it as if you can't see what I'm doing? Okay, there we go. Ooh. Oh my gosh, there we are, guys. There's the item. There we go. They are Louis Vuitton hoop earrings. Oh my goodness. I am in love. I am so in love with these. They are gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. I'm so happy I got them. So gorgeous. This is my first reaction, by the way, guys, as you know, because I just opened the box with you guys. So this is my first reaction to them, and I absolutely love them. I'm actually going to put them on after I finish filming this video and take a little selfie for the gram and whatnot, so make sure you're following me on Instagram. But I absolutely love these, and I said I'm going to get these because number one, I love gold. I always tend to steer towards gold than, you know, silver or any other color when it comes to jewelry or accessories, because I just feel like gold goes with so much more things that I own, or, you know, things in my items in my wardrobe and stuff like that. So these are perfect, and they're also a good size as well. They're not too big, so it's easy if you want to go for like a minimal look, or if you want to go for an over-the-top look as well. I think these earrings are perfect because they're so versatile. I can't wait to wear these. I'm starting to wear earrings a little bit more. As you guys can see, I'm wearing my Africa studs from Style Fix, so I'm starting to wear earrings a lot more, even around the house when, you know, it's quarantine and there's nowhere to go. I'm just putting earrings in my earpiece. I'm just putting earrings in my ear piercings because I want to start getting used to wearing earrings again like I used to before. So yeah, I'm really excited to try these on. I can't wait to wear these, and I can't wait to wear them out, most importantly. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to have somewhere nice to go. Hopefully when I'm snatched and, you know, everything's come back and my neck is long again and my clavicle is showing because all the bones have disappeared. Oh gosh, I've put on so much weight, guys. I can't even begin to tell you the way in which my body has changed. But this is not anything that I'm not used to, you know. So yeah, I'm really excited to try these on. Can't wait to style them. So make sure that you're following me on social media, and I hope you guys like them as much as I do. Of course, I will link them down in the description box below, so if you want to treat yourself to a pair, you can by all means do so. And like I said previously, I absolutely love shopping in the Louis Vuitton store, but nonetheless the customer service online and receiving the item so quickly was equally as great as going into the store and purchasing it there. So if you guys want to buy it online as opposed to going in store, you can by all means do that as well, because these are gorgeous and they're definitely worth it. If you stay till the end of the video and you're not subscribed, please do subscribe to my channel and hit the notification button as well, so that you will receive messages directly to your inbox whenever I do upload a video. If you did enjoy this video as well, please do give it a thumbs up, comment down below, let me know what you think of the earrings, let me know what you think about self-love, buying presents for yourself in general. Let's have a little discussion in the comment section below, so make sure you drop a comment. But in the meantime, thank you ever so much for tuning into this video. Thank you for taking the time out to come onto my channel. I really do appreciate it, guys, and I will see you in my next video. Bye. I'm gonna go and eat everything in the kitchen because I can. It's hot. Let me turn this on. It was making so much noise when I was filming. It's hot.